Hey Bellaras! Welcome back to the second episode of our natural skincare series. In the last episode, we learned all about the incredible benefits of rice powder. If you missed it, be sure to check it out in the link above. Today, we're diving into something just as amazing. Yogurt! Yes, yogurt isn't just for your breakfast. It's packed with skin-loving benefits that will leave your face feeling fresh, nourished, and glowing. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our weekly skincare tips using all natural ingredients. Let's get started. Yogurt is a skincare powerhouse, and here's why. Number 1, it hydrates and moisturizes. Packed with lactic acid, yogurt helps to hydrate and lock moisture into your skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Number 2, it exfoliates gently. The natural acids in yogurt work as a gentle exfoliator, removing dead skin cells without harsh scrubbing. Number 3, it fights acne and breakouts. Yogurt's probiotics balance skin's natural bacteria, helping to reduce acne-causing bacteria. Number 4, it brightens and evens skin tone. The enzymes in yogurt help to fade dark spots, making it perfect for those with uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation. Number 5, it soothes irritated skin. Whether you have a sunburn or inflammation, yogurt has a cooling effect that helps calm and heal the skin. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how to use yogurt for your skin. Here are my top 3 favorite ways. Number 1, as a brightening face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt with 1 teaspoon of honey and half teaspoon of turmeric. Apply to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This mask will leave your skin glowing and refreshed. Number 2, as an acne-fighting face pack. Combine 1 tablespoon of yogurt with 1 teaspoon of tea powder and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply to acne-prone areas and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. The probiotics will fight off bacteria and the lemon juice helps to brighten the skin. Number 3, as a moisturizing yogurt scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt with 1 teaspoon of sugar and a little bit of olive oil. Gently scrub your face in circular motions for a natural exfoliating scrub. This is perfect for smooth, hydrated skin. Before you rush to try these recipes, here are some pro tips to make the most out of yogurt. Number 1, always use plain unsweetened yogurt for the best result. Number 2, patch test first to make sure your skin isn't allergic or sensitive. Number 3, for extra hydration, pair yogurt with honey or aloe vera. These ingredients complement yogurt's soothing properties. And number 4, if you have sensitive skin, be sure to rinse off the mask before it fully dries to avoid irritation. And that's it! You now have all the tools to incorporate yogurt into your skincare routine. It's a simple yet powerful ingredient that can help moisturize, brighten, and soothe your skin. In the next episode, we'll dive into another incredible ingredient, honey. Be sure to tune in for that. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Let me know in the comments how you use yogurt in your skincare. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay glowing.